Hey guys, I'm Alex. I bet you guys want to know how I got this really sweet truck right here. Well, today I'm going to show you guys all the secrets that I've learned over the years. How you can sell computers just like me on Amazon.com to have a really sweet truck like this. No, I'm just kidding. Today we're going to show you what we're doing here at Computer Headquarters to build custom PCs that you can buy from us online. We're located in San Diego area and we've been growing really fast. We now have about 13 employees. We've been doing a lot of things for COVID to make sure that everyone's staying safe. And we've got people in the office. Sorry, you know what? Let's make sure you get tested here too, cameraman. He's good. He's actually too cold. He might need to go home because he's too cold. Anyway, let's take a walk back here. So up front we have customer service team up there. We're taking pictures in the picture booth up there as well. We have sales offices over here. We have my office right here. And now we're entering the warehouse.
Yeah.
Hey, you guys get back to work.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. So we're out here in the warehouse. This is where all the magic happens, as they say. Got people diligently working, doing really important stuff. And we're building computers. So here are all the parts we're going to use in the PC we built for you today. We've got an NZXT case, it's the H510. We have a GTX 1080 8GB video card. We have a Ryzen 5 3600 CPU. We have a 512GB ADATA XPG SX 8100 M2 2280 PCIe Gen 3X4 NVMe SSD. Did you get that? We've got a GEIL Super Luce 3000 megahertz RGB DDR4 memory kit, 16 gigs total, 8 gigs per stick. We have a Thermaltake 600 watt power supply, and we're also using this NZXT Kraken G12 GPU mounting bracket to mount a water cooler to the video card. We'll additionally be using another 120mm water cooler on the CPU. All right, so we're gonna show you how you could build a computer just like this on our website. Hey Kyle, can you open a browser for us?
Yeah.
Seriously, bro? Microsoft Edge? Come on, man.
Sorry, man. Where do I go?
Oh, yeah, chqstore.com, man. Hey, you work here. You work here.
Water bottles.
LTT store, no, chqstore.com.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Gosh. Click build your, we're doing AMD, so do the AMD build right here. Build your own gaming computer, AMD based. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do the H500 plus water cooler. And then for the CPU option, we're using the 3600, so click that. It comes with the B450 motherboard as it shows here. For the video card, we're picking the 1080 with 600 watt. And then for memory and storage, we're doing a 16 gigs plus a 512. So this third option down. Let me just smudge the screen a little bit more and then go ahead and add it to cart. So the total price on this comes out to $980.99. There's a bunch of different ways you can pay for the item. We take Amazon Pay and I think PayPal, and you can just use your credit card. There's tons of ways to pay for the item. But as far as the computer goes and the pricing goes, we're gonna go ahead and give you guys a special coupon code, which is gonna be flashed over the screen by our magic editor so that you can get the same computer for $50 off.
What parts of the computer today that we're building are new and what's refurbished?
Oh yeah, so the case, the video card, the motherboard, the power supply are all refurbished. The CPU, the SSD, and the memory are all brand new. Sorry, and also the Kraken G12 mounting kit. Those parts are all brand new.
Oh, that's so cool.
Hey guys, Kyle here. We're gonna build a computer today. First, we have to test the motherboard with the RAM and the processor, install the SSD. So the first thing I'm gonna install is the CPU.
Ow.
Kyle?
Yep. It's not going to show from there because
It looks like Kyle's done a fantastic job. You can see here that our memory is reading correctly at 2133 megahertz. I'm just kidding, he's gonna change that right here.
Yeah, we're part of the whole part of the
He's gonna do the DOCP standard. We like to do this for the customers ahead of time. So now you see that it's running at 3000 megahertz. So Kyle's now restarting the computer with a Windows 10 installation USB stick in there. Now I want to make sure everyone understands that these computers we're selling do not include Windows 10 installed from us. That's a legal issue that we don't want to get into. So we sell our computers no operating system. However, we do load Windows 10 on our drives just to make sure that it accepts Windows 10. We use it as a test of sorts, and then we remove it.
Now we're ready to assemble the whole computer.
You basically wrote a custom Linux environment that will completely test the entire computer. Is that right?
Yep.
It does stress tests and all sorts of things like that. You can just plug this in, type a couple keys on the keyboard and walk away and come back a long time later and it'll be completely done with the stress test.
Give us all the scores for it.
All right, let's do that.
Awesome.
75 years later.
Okay, it looks like our stress tests are all done. They're all completed. Did you take a minute to assess the results of the tests?
Yep, all the temperatures look okay. The scores are good for the hardware that's in it, and it passed.
All right, so we've got a good computer, and this one's ready to sell. What do we do next?
My favorite part.
Ooh. Oh. That looks nice.
Time
All
to
right.
package it up and ship it away.
Okay.
Hey guys, Kyle here. Now we need to pack it up to ship it out. We're going to add some foam packaging to protect the graphics card in shipping.
While Kyle packs up this computer, I want to tell you a little bit about our shipping process. On weekdays, most custom PCs will ship same day if the order came in before noon. We ship using FedEx Ground and delivery times are usually about 1 to 3 days to West Coast, 3 to 4 days for Midwest, and 5 to 6 days for East Coast. We charge a $35 flat rate fee for shipping FedEx Ground, and we're also working on adding an express option for 2-day shipping.
All right, guys, we're just wrapping up this video now. We've got one custom build from a customer who ordered today, and we actually missed the 4 p.m. pickup from FedEx. We just finished the build just now, and it's about 5:30, so I'm actually gonna drop this off myself on my way home. Just packing it up. And I just wanted to thank everyone for joining us. You got to see how we build, test, and package our computers. And hopefully you have a little bit of confidence about buying from streetstore.com. We're going to be trying to make a video every day. Please remember to like and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, guys.